As believers, dua is our direct connection to Allah, a powerful tool for seeking help, guidance, and blessings. But are we truly making the most of this incredible gift? Today, we'll explore some common mistakes we might be making during dua and how to avoid them. Let's start with sincerity. Often, we find ourselves repeating dua from memory without truly feeling the words. Remember, dua is not just about saying the right phrases, it's about connecting with Allah from the heart. When you make dua, do it with full sincerity, letting your emotions flow and understanding the meaning behind your words. Another common mistake is rushing through dua. In our fast-paced lives, it's easy to speed through our supplications, but dua is not a race. Take your time, slow down, allow yourself to be fully present in that moment with Allah. It's also important to remember the significance of praise and gratitude. Jumping straight into our requests without first praising Allah and expressing gratitude for His blessings can make our dua feel incomplete. Begin by acknowledging His greatness, sending blessings upon the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and thanking Allah for what He has already given you. When making dua, we sometimes focus only on our immediate worldly needs, forgetting the bigger picture. This brings us to the mistake of neglecting to ask for both dunya and akhirah. It's crucial to seek Allah's help not only for our worldly life but also for our hereafter. Balance your dua by asking for success in both. Consistency is key in dua. A mistake many of us make is only turning to dua in times of hardship. Allah loves when we make dua regularly, in both good times and bad. Make it a habit, a regular part of your daily life, and watch how your relationship with Allah deepens. It's natural to want quick answers, but giving up too quickly is a common mistake. Remember, Allah's timing is perfect. Sometimes the answer is delayed for a reason, or it may come in a form we didn't expect. Have patience, persist in your dua, and trust that Allah hears you. When making dua, be mindful of what you're asking for. Avoid asking for harmful or inappropriate things. Always seek what is good and beneficial, and trust that Allah knows what's best for you. Finally, don't forget to follow the Sunnah. There are etiquettes and recommended times for making dua that can enhance its impact. Learn these practices and incorporate them into your dua routine. Dua is more than just asking for things. It's a way to build a closer relationship with Allah. By avoiding these common mistakes and making dua with sincerity, patience, and consistency, we can strengthen our bond with our Creator and make our supplications more effective. May Allah accept all our duas. Ameen. Thank you for watching. If this video touched your heart, please share it with others and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. May Allah's peace and blessings be upon you all. Assalamu alaikum.